Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a recipe with chicken. It's delicious, soft and very tasty. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Let's prepare the meat first. We'll be doing 3 pieces of chicken breasts, in total 1 kilogram. Let's cut each piece into 3 slices. Each fillet meat, let's use a mallet on it so it's soft and tender. Now let's add some salt and pepper. Let's add some butter on the baking sheet and place the chicken breasts. Now let's grate some hard-boiled eggs. I'm using 5. Also, let's grate 50 grams of cheese and let's mix them together with 3 tablespoons of mustard grains and a little bit of pepper, plus 2 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Now let's place the mixture on top. Now let's place it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. When they're all done, let's place it and try this delicious recipe. It's easy to make, delicious, and smells even better. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.